So which AI tool is actually worth using, especially if you are writing novels, fantasy, thrillers, or fiction? So we're going to compare Sudowrite, Claude, and NovelCrafter head to head. So Sudowrite, it's built specifically for fiction authors. It's designed to help with prose, descriptions, dialogue, scene expansion, rewrites, and character emotions. Okay, it feels less like ChatGPT, but more like an AI writing companion sitting beside you. And Claude is not technically a writing app, it's a general AI assistant, but for many writers, it's insanely powerful. It excels at like brainstorming, outlinings, editing, story analysis, and long context memory. And NovelCrafter here is a full novel writing workspace built around AI. It combines story organization, codex management, scene tracking, plotting systems, and AI integrations all in one place. So the pros of these three platforms, let's look into it. The Sudowrite, it's amazing for breaking writer's block. It's probably the best prose generation of the three, and it's very beginner friendly, and also the describe tool is incredibly good for sensory writing. So it shines when you already know your story but need help making the writing flow. The Cloud is extremely gives you extremely intelligent feedbacks, and it handles long manuscripts better than most AI tools, and it's fantastic for rewriting weak scenes. So Cloud feels less like autocomplete but more like a professional editor. And Novelcrafter here is best organization system for serious authors. Okay, it has flexible AI integrations, and it's built specifically for long form novel production. Novelcrafter is less about generating pretty prose but more about managing an entire writing ecosystem. On the downside here, the Novelcrafter has a big learning curve, so you can feel overwhelming at first, and it works best when paired with another AI model. Whereas Cloud Code, on the negative side here, is not built specifically for authors, and then it can sound, it requires like better prompting skills in order to actually get the perfect output for you. And Sudowrite, on the other hand, has some drawbacks, which includes it can become repetitive if overused, and sometimes the prose gets overly purple and less powerful for deep story analysis. So, if you're a beginner author, just go with Sudowrite because it's the easiest and most creatively exciting and helps you write the actual scenes. But if you're an advanced editor or a writer, Cloud is probably the strongest for pure intelligence tool. And if you're writing a serious novel series, then obviously these Novelcrafter wins among it, because especially for fantasy and sci-fi mystery novels. The truth is, the best AI writing app might not be choosing one. It might be using Studio Write for prose, Cloud for thinking, and Novelcrafter for organization.